Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a table of contents in Notion. So first thing you're going to do is open up your Notion and make sure you are clicked inside of the template so that you can see the prompt where it says write, press space for AI /4 commands. We are going to push the / on our keyboards. And once we do that, all of our basic blocks should populate. We're going to start typing table of contents. Once you do that, you should be able to see the selection in the blocks where it says table of contents. You're just going to click on that. Once you click on that, it is going to move your cursor down. But before we do that, we need to go back to where it says add headings to create a table of contents. Once we get here, we're going to go to the plus sign and we are going to choose what type of heading we want. Do we want a heading 1, which is bigger, and then heading 2 is a little bit smaller, and then heading 3 is the smallest? So I'm just going to use heading 1. Now, once we do that, you can see up here, it says untitled. Whatever I type down here is going to be typed up in here. It's automatically going to populate whatever I'm typing down here. So for this, I'm just going to say, let's do chapter 1. So once I type in chapter 1, you can see that there is now chapter 1 here, and this is actually a link. And I'm going to show you how that works by going all the way down here. And I'm going to do the same thing, except I'm going to add chapter 2. So I'm going to do the heading. I'm going to write chapter 2, and then I'm going to push enter. Once I scroll back to the top, you can see that your table of contents is now building. Now, once you click on these, it's going to bring us down to chapter 2. So I'm just going to click on it and you can see that it brings us all the way down to chapter 2. And that is how you create a table of contents in Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.